Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can disable links in chats and conversations on your Kick streams. For example, so that your audience of your streams will not send or will not be able to send in these links in your chats to, I don't know, interrupt or disrupt your streaming on Kick. So let us guide you through this. So this is how you can do it, guys. Navigate to your Creator dashboard in the Kick application. You'll need to be logged into your account, and then navigate to moderation here on the left hand side. And here what you want to do is navigate to display, and here make sure that this option is not enabled, because if you enable it, your users or streamers will enable these links and you want to disable them or not allow them or block them. So make sure that this option stays unselected. For example, if anyone with access to your streaming account has accidentally enabled this feature, you may disable it here again. Click into Save Changes here, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.